We'll guide you through how to pull and open a GitHub project in Visual Studio Code. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're handing the video over to Pausa, who's going to continue.
We will cover two different methods, one if you have Git installed and one if you don't have Git installed at all. So if you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's start with the first method, which is using Git. So just go ahead and open any browser to your liking, and in the search bar just go ahead and search for Git and hit enter. Just go to the official website for Git and choose to install for your operating system, and here select your operating system. In my case it's Windows, so I'll just click on this particular link to download, and now my setup.exe file will be downloaded. So just wait for it to complete. After it is done, just open your file explorer. After that, navigate to the downloads folder. In here you will see Git, so just go ahead and double click on it to run the setup wizard. After that, just read through the general public license and click on next, and here select your installation directory and click on next, and you can leave most of the options at default and click on next until you find the install button. So just go ahead and click on install and just wait for it to complete. After that, you can toggle off view release note and click on finish, and once done, just go ahead and open your GitHub. So just navigate to github.com and select the repository that you want to pull and open in VS Code. So let's say I want to pull this particular project, so I'll just click on it, and now here just go ahead and click on the drop down for code and choose to copy your HTTPS. Now just go ahead and go to your file explorer and navigate to the folder where you want to store or pull your project. So in my case it's going to be this particular folder, so I'll just right click and choose to create a new folder and name it something like pull project. After that, go inside the folder and go to the address bar and click once and type cmd to open command prompt inside this particular folder. Now I'm just gonna maximize it, and now here just go ahead and run the following command. Just go ahead and type git space clone space and press Ctrl V to paste the URL that we copied earlier from GitHub. After that, just go ahead and hit enter. Git will start downloading the project, and once that it is done, you can open it directly inside VS Code. So just go ahead and type code space and dot and hit enter, and now your project will open directly inside VS Code, and here you can see my folder and files are already inside of VS Code, open and ready for me to use. That covers the method using Git. Now let's look at the second method for anyone who does not have Git installed and just wants to download the project without using any commands at all. So just go ahead and go to your GitHub repository once again and click on the drop down for code, and you will see an option to download as a zip file. Just go ahead and click on it to download your repository as a zip file. So I'm just gonna go ahead and navigate to the downloads folder, and here I'm just gonna reload, and you can see the demo project has been successfully downloaded as a zip file. So I'll just choose to extract all and select our extraction directory. So I'm just gonna go inside the documents folder, and here I'll create a new folder and name it something like pull project 1. After that, I'll just hit enter twice to go inside the folder and choose to select a folder. After that, just go ahead and click on extract, and now you will see it has been successfully extracted. Now to open it in VS Code, just open your VS Code and go to files at the top and choose to open your folder. Now here just go ahead and navigate to the folder where you have your file, which in my case it's going to be this particular folder. So I'll just go inside the demo project folder, and here choose to select folder. And now you can see we are successfully inside demo project main folder, and we have our files ready to use in VS Code. And that's everything you need to pull and open any GitHub project in VS Code.